Welcome friends, today we'll be taking you through one of the emerging and the topmost colleges of veterinary science in private sector, which is RPS College of Veterinary Science. RPS College जो है RPS ग्रुप का पार्ट है जिसने शुरुआत करी थी सिर्फ एक स्कूल से and they have done tremendously well in the field of education. यहाँ तक कि महेंद्रगढ़ जो है एक इमर्जिंग एजुकेशन हब बनता जा रहा है with the efforts of RPS group. They have got many schools and many colleges in Mahendragarh as well as in Rajasthan. They have schools in Gurgaon as well. एक चीज तो श्योर है, RPS ग्रुप के अंदर आपके जो कॉलेजेस हैं और जो स्कूल्स हैं, they are growing no doubtedly, and they are growing for one reason, because the leadership has defined or given them a very clear roadmap, जिसकी वजह से एक प्रॉपर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड तरीके से आगे बढ़ते हुए ये कॉलेजेस और स्कूल्स दे आर डूइंग रियली वेल. ऑन द सिमिलर नोट वी हैव RPS कॉलेज ऑफ वेटनरी साइंस. ये ऐसा कॉलेज है जिसने शुरू होने से पहले ही अपना सारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कंप्लीट किया था. इस कॉलेज के अंदर आपको दो बिल्डिंग मिलती है, एक आपकी है जो है एकेडमिक ब्लॉक और एक है जो VCC ब्लॉक जिसमें 4th और 5th ईयर के क्लासेस और सेशन भी होते हैं. दिस इज कंप्लीटली एज पर द VCI गाइडलाइंस. They have one of the biggest libraries for veterinary science, and in fact they have complete building which is dedicatedly and separate for veterinary science, which has labs on different floors and as well as classrooms as per the floors which have been predefined. अब इस कॉलेज के अंदर क्या खास है? पहली बात, ये कॉलेज 2021 सेशन के लिए शुरू हुआ, बट एज कोरोना वाज देयर तो सब कॉलेजेस को एफिलिएशन मिला ईयर 2022. दिस कॉलेज इज द फर्स्ट कॉलेज in India amongst the colleges which started in 2021 to come into the Schedule 1 level of colleges from VCI. As you can see on the screen, they have been granted permanent affiliation and they will be very soon part of the VCI counseling as well. So this has happened only for one reason कि इस कॉलेज ने अपने सारे नॉर्म्स, अपनी सारी legalities complete की हैं, and that is why they are being given the number 1 recognition for Schedule 1 amongst the remaining colleges which started for the year 2021. यह कॉलेज ऐसा कॉलेज है जिसके अंदर आपको कंप्लीट फैकल्टी मिलेगी, आपको लैब्स कंप्लीट मिलती हैं, यहाँ पे आपको इंडोर एक्टिविटीज, आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज, टेनिस कोर्ट, बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट तक सब कंप्लीट मिलता है. नथिंग इज अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन. एडजेसेंट बिल्डिंग्स के अंदर और कोर्सेज भी चलते हैं. दे हैव अ सेपरेट बॉयज हॉस्टल फॉर वेटनरी साइंस एंड बॉयज हॉस्टल फॉर अदर कोर्सेज. सिमिलरली इनका गर्ल्स हॉस्टल फॉर वेटनरी साइंस ये भी अलग है. इट इज नॉट मर्ज्ड और along with the other girls hostels of the other courses. This college has started with a foreign collaboration as well as they are doing very well in the field of research as well. They have one of the best models which you can go yourself and see, which is the first implementation which has happened in India. So these are the things जो आप वहाँ जाकर ही दे सकते हैं. No doubt हम कितनी कोशिश कर लें आपको एक्सप्लेन करने की, और we want to show it over the video, the quality speaks for itself. This has all been possible for one reason, because the management has taken a very clear guideline and a very clear roadmap towards the success, and they have all made it a very beautiful and a very well taken care college which has been granted the Schedule 1 amongst the rest of the colleges of India. And yes, we do not hesitate in saying that this college will be the leading college in the coming next 2 to 3 years amongst all the colleges of India. So if you have any question for RPS College of Veterinary Science, feel free to get in touch with us. The numbers are displayed on your screen. Also, you can become part of Global Eduversity's WhatsApp group where we share all the information for our students. Thank you very much for watching this video. We would love to hear your comments and any suggestion that you have.